Okay, go.
Hi, Katie. Say hi. Come on, Katie. Say hi. Can you say hi? Can you say hi, Katie?
Why when she smiles, I turn the camera on and she stops?
Katie, come on. Hi? You gonna say hi? Are you gonna say hi, Katie? Are you gonna say hi? Are you gonna say hi? Are you gonna say hi? You gonna say hi? You gonna say hi?
Wum wum.
Katie, are you gonna say hi?
My wum wum.
You can say it. You can say it. Like you can say it. Katie, cutie. You gonna say hi? You can try it again. And say hi. 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 You gonna say hi, Katie? You gonna try saying hi? You gonna say hi? Hi? Hi, you almost got it. You almost got it.
Almost.
You can say hi. 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 I think she's done. Wait, hi.
Wow.
Do you think she kicks when she's trying to get words out?
Yes.
You almost got it.
I didn't finish doing her diaper. I mean her. Wait.
That's cute. Hi. Hi, Katie. Yeah.
What? What are you saying?
You trying to talk to Daddy?
Ball.
Ball.
Go get him!
Yawn yawn, Kato.
She always smiles when I take out the camera and she stops.
Her eyes are locked on me everywhere I go.
Whoa!
Hey, Katie, you're way too close to the... There.
There! Yay!
Hi. You say hi? Cute cheeks. Wow, she's so happy on this.
I know. What a
Just making her
cutie.
bed.
What a cute. Her bed. Probably slipped through this crack.
Oh, wait, I'm here. She looks all pouty.
I know, look at her eyebrows.
Hi, Katie. Hi.
What? She's out of control.
Look at her kick. Hi, Katie. Hi, Katie. Hi. Hi. Okay. Come on, Katie.
I bet when I turn it off, she'll start smiling.
No, she's about to cry.
I know.
Hi, Katie. Hi. Stretch your little arm. No, I'm not leaving. It's Daddy's day off, Katie. Smile.